Boom, 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 bang, 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 bang. Welcome to Rangside TV. When we say no cut, no edit. The same way me see it, and the same way me I go said it. So me I say today now, yo, we have to talk about some things. So me say big up Gully Bops. You know, you say Gully Bop a throw money. Yeah man, and that me I hear, you know. Me I say Gully Bop a throw money. You see, me see on YouTube one thing say Gully Bop throw away money in famous nightclub. And me check it out and trust me, the man a throw away money. And that I go on right about now. So me I say people, big up on yourself. You see me I say now, thank you very much. Thank you, and you and everybody. Yeah, you. You too. Yeah, big up yourself. Thank you very much for tuning. You know, you can always feel free to subscribe. You can always feel free to share. And you can always feel free to comment. Yeah. So me say now, let's see what's been happening in the music industry for a while. So I say now we have some new tune that came out recently. You understand? I'm gonna keep you up to date with them. Yeah, mad thing. So let me check it out. So boom. Talking to a few things that's been going on. Yeah, Alkaline, yeah, released a new tune called Ride on Me. Yeah, Alkaline, big up yourself, youth. Very talented, you understand? Yeah, you keep doing the thing. Respect for that, youth. So I could hear what I want from Alkaline. So I say now, no cut, no edit, and Rangside TV, right here we said it, Alkaline, Ride on Me. And the dark glass this one. That's it. That was Alkaline, Ride on Me. Yeah, very raw. You know, that's a raw version. They should put raw next to this one because this one is explicit. You see me I say now? But let's move on along the thing. Yeah, we got Black Rhino. Yeah, Black Rhino, yeah. You know Black Rhino. He was a guy that was at Sting, you know, that was on stage, and then next minute we have Tommy Lee, then we have Cage, and Cage and Tommy Lee start to do their little, you know, clashing thing, and then Black Rhino get pushed behind stage, and then his mic get turned off, and then he went back on stage with Kip Rich, and then Kip Rich kill him. That is the guy I'm talking about. But Rhino, big up yourself. You see me I say, last year, you mash up Sting that area and if a year time. But as I said go, we win some and we lose some. So you a Black Rhino go on with right now. So we say no cut, no edit, and Rangside TV I said it. Better tomorrow, Black Rhino.
Better tomorrow. Cause a living get rougher. System still a get tougher. School fees still a get nougher. Why get a youth still a suffer? Cause we no want no more promise. We a better tomorrow. We a pray for a better tomorrow. Get a youth say a better tomorrow. I see no gun. Tell me when the road broke around. Find piece of bread when me look me see the butter done. Hot the doorstep when the bus a come. Me a hustle till better come. So sweat a run. Get a youth a potential to do it. I drop the door and them now let me do it. I have a dream. Me can't see it. I'm a destined but to pursue it. We no want no more promises.
Yes, that was Black Rhino, Better Tomorrow. So if you want to see more Black Rhino, go on YouTube and check out Black Rhino, Better Tomorrow. Yeah, let's see what go on. Furthermore, we have Anthony Cruz, you know, G4 sound system, you know, so check out Anthony Cruz. Yeah, big thing. You see me I say now? And what else we have Gully Bop before Sting. Yeah, you know, you can always check out Gully Bop, you know. Because Gully Bop, I respect Gully Bop. I'm telling already, I do a video for telling us and I rate Gully Bop. I'm not care when nobody wants to say Gully Bop are the done right about now. Yes, if you want to know more about Gully Bop, you can always check out, you know, Gully Bop and check out his, you know, local live interview, you know, that he does with his freestyling and stuff like that. Yes, right? You have Gully Bop before Sting, you know, yeah, you check out loads of things. Yeah, we have Konfydence. Yeah, she have a new tune come out, named Life and Busy. Well on there. Konfydence. Life and Busy. As we said, no cut, no edit. Rangside TV, right here. We said it. And who is that? Konfydence. Life and Busy. So me here, go on. Konfydence, Life and Busy. Wonder what that could be about.
That I'm a ringtone. Me more busy than the evening traffic on a Kingstone. Me not to go for no clown. And everywhere me go, me bring phone.
You never seen a missed call?
No, me iPod. Baby, me busy on the iPod. I'm Konfydence, ay, Jimmy. Let me tell you, me. Tell the most life I'm busy. Me never be tell life I'm busy. My favorite word, busy. But me free like a bird, me busy. Me tell the most life I'm busy.
Well, she tell him more life I'm busy. I thought she was talking about something to do with busy signal, but it's not. It's just a song she's singing about busy tone and about up on her iPad. Yeah, so check it out if you want to see more. It's called Konfydence. Her name is spelled Konfydence.